Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to add or remove debit card or credit card from Alibaba account. It's not something difficult, and it's not difficult in the process to do it. It's so easy. So I'm gonna go now to my phone so I can share with you the steps. So the first thing that I need to do is to go to my browser. And as you can see, I'm on the official website of Alibaba, and here they are showing us how to remove and also how to add the credit card or debit card. So to remove your bank account by following these steps, all you need to do is to log into your account and then click on transaction and then bank and card account. And for the second step, which is click on remove, which is this one. Okay, they showed you how to do it in the picture. Okay, to unband your bank account, so then just click on remove and you're gonna remove it. Okay, and in order to add a bank account, you need to it's only possible when making payment during the checkout process, which is available via both mobile and app and PC. So let's click here to check. So as they said, to add a bank account or debit card or credit card, all you need to do is to do it when you want to purchase. Okay, when you want to purchase something, you just click on checkout, and then they will show you this place where you can add a card number and all the info about your debit card. And after entering all the info, it's automatically added. And like this, you just did it. As I told you guys, it's not something difficult. It's so easy, just some simple steps, and you're gonna be able to remove or add easily your debit card from Alibaba account. This was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.